Electroweld brand 10 kVA brazing machine, pneumatically operated, table mounted. Now we'll explain you the parts that we have provided. This is a FRL. Here we are connected the air supply. We connect about to 30 psi supply. This here is the pressure adjustment knob for adjusting the pressure for the brazing. At the moment we adjust the pressure about say 18 psi. This is a gauge for the pressure adjustment. And here we have the air filter that filters the air. This is a drain knob to be water to be drained every evening before finishing the job. Then here you have the air lubricator. This oil is provided for lubricating the cylinder. Oil can be up to here. When it gets exhausted, you can top it up over here. This is a pneumatic cylinder. Here we have the copper electrode holders. These are the brazing graphite electrodes, top and bottom. Then this is the gunmetal housing. This over here is a microcontroller. We have the on-off switch. Now here is a single flex switch. This is a single cycle, repeat cycle. This is a no brace switch. Now see, for adjusting the parameters, you can go to schedule and then you can adjust the schedule number 1 or 2 depending on the parameters. Now this is how the schedules are adjusted. Now this is about 3-4 schedule numbers. We'll bring to 1 where we'll put the parameters for smaller this silver tip to be brazed with smaller copper strip. This is about say about 8 mm by 4 mm by 5 mm thick. That will be brazed on the copper strip over here. Now here we have fed the parameters. Just check when you press the set button. Now this will all glow. This is indicating that you can change the schedules. When this is done, press it. This you bring it to program. Then again you can see the parameters that we are feeding. Now this is squeeze time. This can be adjusted. Keep it 1 or 2. Then this is the brazing time. For the time being we kept about 20 cycles. Then again when you press this is the forge time, can be adjusted. Keep it 1. This is the repeat timing. The job will keep on heating repeatedly after 8 cycles. That can be increased or decreased. This is the heat percentage that we are keeping for brazing the job. Now when you press this, now schedule number 1 parameter set for the thicker job. Then we have here, as we said, no weld switch. When you are brazing, put towards the weld side. And we can change the schedule by keeping the switch over here for different job. Press this button, you can go to schedule number 2, to set button again. Then come to program. Here you can set the different parameters for the more thicker jobs, say about 8 mm into 12 mm into 6 mm, that you can adjust by pressing this. Just say about squeeze time 2 cycles and again press. Then this is weld time, can be increased to about 22 cycles. Then this is the forge time, can be adjusted to about 2 cycles. Then this is your heat percentage, can increase to about say 65%. Sorry, this is the repeat time. This can be kept about say 8 cycles. Again when you press, you come to heat percentage. This can be increased for thicker job, say about 65%. This is how it is set. Now schedule number 2 is set for the thicker job. Now we will show you the working. Here you have the water circulating pump. You can connect the inlet of the pump and outlet of the machine, say about 200 liter water tank. There you have the pump on off switch. This one is a current selector switch. At the moment we have kept tap number 4, a thicker job. Now for brazing, say this thick strip about 5 mm by 10 mm, we can do the brazing with this silver tip, which is about 10 mm by 5 mm by 6 mm, for which schedule number 2 we have selected. First, to apply the flux with this brush. Then put the silphos foil over that. This is how the silphos foil is put. Then you can keep the tip on that. Then you can keep the job putting the 2 graphite electrodes. Press the clamping switch. This is how it is pressed. Then you can keep on pressing this right side foot switch till the brazing is over. Just see. Now brazing is done. Now you can hold the job with the plier, declamp the job. And this is how it is braced. You can put in the water. This is the thinner job. This is about 3.5 mm by 10 mm thick copper strip, and we have a silver tip. This is about 3.5 mm by 5 mm by 10 mm. We'll show you how to do the brazing. For that you have to change the schedule from 2 to schedule 1. Press this button over here. This is the set button. You can go to schedule number 1 and then again set it here. Now this is done as we showed you the parameters for the schedule number 1. This you can go to program and then apply a flux on this. You have to be braced. Then you have to put the silphos foil on this. Then you put the small silver tip on the job like this. Then keep it between the graphite electrodes. Press the left side foot switch. You will see clamping taking place. Now you will see the brazing. When you press the foot switch, the brazing will take place. So this is how it is braced. Now you can declamp. Just see, this is how it is braced. You can put it in the water. Just see how it is braced.